right, here we go, guys, with our last break of the night. Good luck to everybody in this one. Ten packs per box, 5 cards per pack, 1 auto, 1 MEM per box on average. 24 Illusion Football Premium. Empty box. Pack number 1 to start us off, maybe. 5 cards per pack, 10 packs. And we have TJ Watt to start us off. Russell Wilson. Najee Harris. Steelers pack right there. Brock Purdy. And out of 75, Cooper Kupp. 31 out of 75 for the Rams spot. Garrett Wilson. Jalen Hurts. A.J. Brown. Saquon Barkley. And Brian Robinson Jr. What parallel that is, not numbered. Nice looking card there. You'll have time to get your guesses in for the player on the auto out of this for 20 in credit. How about some Malik Neighbors rookie? Braylon Allen. Aaron Rodgers. And Roma Dunze. Triple color patch here out of 75. Great expectations. And Kyler Murray out of 75 to follow that up. Nice hit for the Bears spot. Roma Dunze. Hits. Next pack. We have Derek Carr, Daniel Jones, Darius Slayton. Great expectations out of 75. How about CJ Stroud? Got an extra patch in here. Shining Stars, Michael Penix. Next pack. Got another MEM. This is a patch auto, I think. Jalen Polk. Chris Olave. Spencer Rattler. It is Blake Corum on the first impressions out of 299. Nice box of illusions. Take it. Nice hit for the Rams spot. Let's top load what we have so far. There's Amon-Ra. Insert. Some sleeves. Five packs left here. Again, this is the last break of the night. We will be back again on Saturday. It's going to be a few days in between. We are in the process of moving location. Here is our next pack coming up. Jaden Daniels, rookie. Terry McLaurin. Bobby Wagner, Terry Bradshaw, Shining Stars of Brock Purdy. We have Tajay Spears, Calvin Ridley, DeAndre Hopkins, Austin Eckler, Justin Jefferson. And the amazing insert, 3 packs left. Bucky Irving, Mike Evans, Chris Godwin, Will Levis, CeeDee Lamb, Geno Smith, DK Metcalf, Tyler Lockett, Baker Mayfield, and Shining Stars of Brock Bowers. Our final pack of the break. And of the night, actually. So we have Christian McCaffrey, Ricky Pearsall, George Kittle, Kenneth Walker, and Abracadabra. Cracked ice like Abracadabra. That's a retail special or what there? Top load it. Do a recap, guys. Blake Corum was the guest of this break. The Jaden Daniels base rookie. The Cracked Ice Abracadabra. Out of 75, Cooper Kupp. Brian Thomas. The variation there. Out of 75, Kyler Murray. Michael Penix on the Shining Stars. Great Expectations rookie out of 75. Roma Dunze. CJ Stroud out of 75 on the Great Expectations MEM. And then we had Blake Corum on the First Impressions patch auto out of 299 for the Rams. All right, guys, that does it for all the breaks tonight. Appreciate everybody for hopping in, helping get them all filled. We will be back again on Saturday, and then hopefully going forward, we'll get back into our regular break nights. Guys, have a great night. Help fill those breaks for Saturday. We'll see you then.